Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a little trick here. Do you see the teeth on this flywheel? The starter kicks in from this side and it wears the edges of these teeth off, and sometimes there'll even be nicked teeth. That one's not looking, you can see in there, we got some noticeable wear on these. So I'm gonna show you what I do on these. So I got this brass pin. I actually inherited this from my dad decades ago. And I'm gonna knock this ring gear off this flywheel. All right, it's off.
Don't you mean you got that from your dad centuries ago?
Yes, there you go. So now let's keep track of which way it was. And since this ring gear is such a big diameter, it doesn't actually take a lot of heat to get it to comply. So we're just gonna heat it up. Start putting the heat to it all the way around, like so. And we're gonna heat it and heat it. We'll keep the heat off of our flywheel because we don't want that getting any bigger. Just want this to get bigger. We're gonna heat this baby up. Turn the heat up a little. Okay, go grab some gloves off the welder. All right, pick it up and drop it on there. Hurry. And there you go. We just turned it around. Made it like brand new. Just making sure it's on all the way. It is on all the way. And there you go. Now it's like having a brand new ring gear for your starter.